Excuse me, sir, would you happen to know the time?
Yeah, bitch. It's time to trap.
chance to love yourself. One search, one find, one day, one sign, one chance to love others. One choice, one life.